Perfect. Morning, Bruno.
Awesome. Hey, Nick, how you doing?
I'm fine, thanks, and you?
Good. Yeah, short week. Hope it's productive. Hope we get through a lot of stuff. We've got three questions today. So let me throw the first two at you.
Perfect.
I'm going to have a quick look at them. So the first one I think is going to be quite a short answer. Due to bad weather, a kitchen window broke, but unfortunately damaged the tenant's car. Now the tenant wants to claim damages. Can he claim damages?
Okay, so we'll give the short answer on this. Okay, just with regards to damages. The way damages works in South Africa is you've got to be able to impute those damages onto a particular person. So you've got to show that their conduct caused the damage at the end of the day. And then importantly, you've got to be able to quantify the damages. Quantification doesn't seem like a problem in this case because you can say, well, you know, whatever the damage is, this is what it takes to fix. But there is a real difficulty in this sort of question with regards to why the landlord is liable for the damage in the circumstances. If it's caused by the weather and it just happens to be a window that broke and it damaged the car, it's not the landlord that brought along the weather, unless the landlord has done some sort of warranty that your vehicle will never be damaged in their property whatsoever. Unless there's that, it's very unlikely that you're going to be able to put this conduct onto the landlord. And the reasons are simple. I mean, you can also argue that you decided to park your car in the way of the window in the circumstances. The landlord didn't tell you to park your car there. There are too many variables. Yeah. So unfortunately, you're not going to be able to say that the landlord is responsible for the weather. It's an unfortunate event. That's why you have vehicle insurance.
Absolutely. So just to add on to that, if for example there was like whatever a repair of the window that the tenant knew was a really bad repair and he had notified the landlord, but that goes back to Nick's point, is there's an act of negligence that's identifiable, foreseeable damage could have been caused, but the landlord did nothing to stop it. Like the window was falling. It was like on a 45-degree angle out of the putty. The tenant had reported it, for some reason didn't remove the pane, and the landlord had left it for 3 months and now it fell. Yeah. Slightly different story, although to be honest, even in those circumstances, going to what Nick said, as a tenant, you don't park your car if you know that something's going to break and there's a risk, because you actually carry a duty to mitigate your damages. So in that instance, there would be also a contributory negligence on the tenant's part. But yeah, it's not going to be an easy one. No. There might be an insurance claim though, to be honest, which possibly, but that's a different story altogether.